Do you ever find yourselves reflecting about your life? I mean, I'm old, so maybe that's the reason why, but quite often that happens to me. I remember back in 1991, I was at the hall at the University Complutense. I was a general practitioner, and then there were these boards that, if you remember, for those that were around in those years, that were made out of wood, and there was some glass that separate you from the information. And there were a list of different PhD programs that were available. And if you ask me why, I have no idea why, but I decided, you know, it looks good to do immunology. So I spent the next 4 years doing immunology without really knowing why, but it seems like a good option. And then I came to the United States, did anesthesia, ended up in a fellowship program that